The smart money is officially back. After dumping a massive 2.58 lakh crores earlier this year, the big boys of the market FIIs have aggressively bought over 15,500 crores in just the first 15 days of July. And here is the real shocker. This is the second time since January we have seen them buying continuously for two straight fortnights. Welcome back to Market Insights by Prakash. I am Prakash Choudhary, a NISM-certified research analyst. If you track the Indian stock market, you know that decoding this fortnightly FII DI data is the absolute best way to catch the next big sectoral rotation before the retail crowd does. For the first time since March, foreign investors have stopped hiding in defensive stocks and shifted to broad-based accumulation. This expanding buying breadth is a massive response signal for the Nifty. It proves that valuation fatigue is finally cooling off and foreign capital is finding structural comfort across the broader market. In today's video, we are unpacking the complete FPI activity for the first half of July. We are going to map out exactly which sectors they dumped, where they are secretly parking the cash right now, and what this means for your portfolio. And if you missed our previous sectoral rotation breakdowns, check the links in the description. Let's dive into the numbers. But before going ahead, our analytics show more than 90% of our regular viewers aren't subscribed yet. Hit that button right now to subscribe and support Market Insights by Prakash. Now let us break it down sector by sector. First, the sectors they exited. 1. Autos are one of the most heavily owned and highly liquid sectors in India. FIIs used auto stocks as an ATM to pull cash quickly on concerns of fast push inflation, demand destruction, and valuation fatigue. FIIs have sold a massive 6,936 crores in the first half of July 2026. Total outflow by FIIs for CY 2026 reaches 37,821 crores in the sector. 2. Profit booking in capital goods sector continues for the straight third fortnight for the first time in CY 2026. FIIs offloaded 2,657 crores from it. It still remains one of the most heavily invested sector with the net inflow of 18,497 crores for CY 2026. Third, selling in telecommunication sector continues after brief buying in second half of May and first half of June. FIIs increased their selling in first half of July and offloaded 2,454 crores from the sector. Total outflow by FIIs for CY 2026 reaches 19,877 crores. 4. Offloading in power sector continues for straight third fortnight. Total outflow by FIIs in CY 2026 stands at a meager 302 crores. FIIs sold 1,267 crores in first half of July. 5th, FMCG. Foreign money is aggressively fleeing the FMCG sector, with total offloading for CY 2026 hitting a heavy 28,276 crores. Volatile crude oil prices since Feb 2026 and high energy costs are driving relentless inflation, directly crushing the everyday consumer's purchasing power. FII sold 1106 crores in first half of July. On the flip side, FPIs emerged as net buyers for 1. FIIs have increased their allocation in consumer service sector from previous month. FIIs bought 7,361 crores in first half of July. This is the second straight fortnight with incremental buying seen from the FIIs in this sector. Total outflow in the sector still stays at high 13,001 crores for CY 2026. 2. Metals and mining saw renewed interest post heavy selling in June month. For the first half of July, FIIs bought 5,993 crores in this sector. For the CY 2026, total inflow still stays strong at positive net rupees 18,814 crores. Third, FIIs bought 4,101 crores in healthcare sector. Total outflow for CY 2026 stands at 16,837 crores. Fourth, buying interest of FIIs have increased in consumer durable sectors for two consecutive fortnights in comparison to previous fortnights. FIIs bought 2,384 crores in first half of July 2026. The total outflow for CY 2026 stands at 1,703 crores. Fifth, FIIs have increased buying in realty sector for second consecutive fortnight. FIIs bought 2,072 crores in first half of July. The total outflow for CY 2026 stands at 6,265 crores. 6. FIIs became net buyers for financial services sector for the second consecutive fortnight since biggest outflow in March 2026. FIIs bought 1,975 crores in June. This is attributed to policy reforms boosting macro confidence. The overall outflow for this sector in CY 2026 remains at huge 1,09,480 crores, contributing more than 40% of overall selling done by FIIs in CY 2026. 7. Construction material sector saw renewed interest by FIIs for the first time in CY 2026. FIIs bought 1,574 crores in first half of July. The total outflow for this sector still remains at 8,094 crores in CY 2026. For more data-driven educational content like this, like, share, and subscribe to Market Insights by Prakash. Thank you. See you in next video.